Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you can access Midjourney through Discord. Sign into Discord if needed and open the Midjourney server or DM. Next, locate your account plan information so you know what to cancel and why. This prevents accidental loss of perks. Once done, make sure your payment method and billing dates are visible in the plan details so you can verify cancellation success later. Now move to the bot or web subscription panel to initiate cancellation right away. In Discord, use the Midjourney bot commands or the /subscribe flow to open your subscription management. The interface shows active plans and billing options. Choose Manage Plan, then select Cancel or turn off auto-renewal. The system will prompt you to confirm so there's no accidental cancellation. Confirm and wait for the bot to acknowledge. Note the cancellation ID or take a screenshot immediately. If the bot redirects you to a web billing portal, follow those steps and return here to verify the change. After canceling, verify success by checking your email and Discord DMs for a confirmation message that states the subscription end date and any remaining access. Make sure the billing portal or your bank shows no upcoming charges. Keep receipts for disputes. If you don't receive confirmation or auto-renewal still appears, contact Midjourney support and provide the confirmation ID, screenshot, and timestamps. This speeds resolution. Finally, consider disabling any linked payment method if you want an extra safeguard against.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.